Okay, good morning to you all. Good morning. This is the voice of King David Something. Alright, so in this video tutorial, you will watch how you can create this flyer. Okay, let me show you. Alright, so this is what we are going to be creating today. You understand? This is what we are going to be creating today. So now, what I'll do, I'm just going to hide this one. Alright, and then my size already. I'm going to use 2800 on 2800 as the size. You understand? So now click on OK. So now I'm going to bring in my background. My background is okay. Let me just bring it again. I'm just going to bring in my background, which is this. Alright, I'm just going to crop it this way, and then I'm going to increase it. Alright, increase it. So now I've increased it to this extent, and I'm just going to make sure that it's at the middle. Alright, now what I'll do next is so what I'll do next is I'll bring in my resources. Alright, which is this, the guy and the guy and the lady. You understand? So this is them. So I'm just going to increase it, then still increase it, and put them here. You understand? Let's put them here. Let's reduce it a little bit. We're going to put them down here. Alright, so that is it. So now what we want to do again is to bring in write in our text effect, which is TBK. Now some of you don't know how to get this text effect to glow, so watch this video tutorial. You will learn how you can do that. You understand? So we are going to increase this, it and put it here, and then we are going to change the font size to, I'm going to use this one, Never Heavy. You can search on that font, DAFONT. So that's where you can get font from. So you can use this one, but if you want to use another one, there's no problem. Now watch closely. Watch what I'll do here. I'm going to shadow. See my shadow here. Go to shadow. Then I'm going to select it. Now this shadow, now I'm going to click on this add button. Then I'm going to move this one to this extent where it is blue. Then this one I'm going to bring it here. You understand? Then this one I'm going to bring it here, so that with somehow white. I'll click on OK. You can see that it is glowing, right? You can see it's glowing. So I can reduce the blurriness of the glowing of it in. You understand? So you can see it. I can decide to increase it, I can decide to reduce it, but let's keep it this way. You understand? So this is how you can have your text effect glowing. You get? So if it's white color, it says it will be like this, but then it's not white you want to use. You want to use blue. You understand? So you want to use light blue. So that's why we are using light blue here. You get? So that is it. That is how we get our glow effect. Alright, so now we are going to copy this. I'm going to copy it, and then I'm going to edit it. I'm going to write Africa. Yeah, I'm going to write Africa, and then we are going to do it like this, and then I'm going to reduce the size. Okay, I'm going to reduce the size. I'm going to put it here, TBX Africa. Alright, so the next thing you want to do is just copy this. Let's copy this and then bring it down here. But this time around we are going to increase it. But this time around we are going to change. We are not going to use the white stuff. Understand? So instead we are going to use the inner shadow. You get? Go to use the inner shadow. Alright, so now the inner shadow is already is black, but then I'm going to change the color to yellow, like the text color. I'm going to change this text color to yellow. Okay, yeah, I'm going to change it to no, orange, sorry. Well, not too orange, you understand? So let's see, let's go to our inner shadow of it, and then let's see how you can do something about it. Okay, then let's try our shadow effect. Okay, let's just check what we are designing. Let's check the real design. You understand? Let's just check out. So this is the real design. Okay, this is how they did it. Okay, that the inner shadow is white, not black. You understand? Yeah, the inner shadow is white, not black. And okay, it's no problem. So now I don't know the outside designer of this flyer, but then credit to the designer. I am not the designer, you understand? I am not the designer, so credit to the designer. So now I'm going to come to my inner shadow. Instead of black, I'm going to change it to inner shadow, sorry. Instead of black, I'm going to change it to white instead, you understand? So now this color, I'm going to change it to a gradient color. See what I'll do here, a gradient color. So what I'll do here now, I'm going to select this. You see this one here, select it. You see this color, click on it, then click on the darker orange. But let us just click on this peak, then go to the real design, then suck this one, the color from here, then mark it, you understand? So bring it here like this, you understand? Then see the second one, click on it, click on this color, click on this thing, we call it peak. So click on it, then you also click on the original one, you suck this color from it, you understand? So you are good to go. So you're not going to bring it like this here, you understand? You're going to click OK, you get? So you're going to click OK. So that is how it is. All right, so now I'm going to our inner shadow, let's increase it. Inner shadow. All right, so this is it, TBX. All right, so this is it. Now the next you want to do is to also our Africa copy. We're also going to do a color gradient on this one too. Color gradient on this one, you understand? So this is the black, this is the white. So we are going to select this black one, click on color, click on this peak, then click on the original one. You see this color here, down here, this color down here, yeah, this color down here. We're going to suck it too, you understand? We're going to suck it, and then this one you're going to select it, click on peak. So it's white. So so now I'm going to do it like this, you understand? I'm going to do it like this. All right, so that is how we can have this our text effect. That's how I have the color gradient, you understand? So that is it. So now I want to see how you can bend it like this little bit, you understand? That is to rotate it. Okay, so do not forget to like, subscribe and comment, you understand? Listen carefully, I'll be saying the codes, you get? I'll be saying the codes, listen carefully. All right, so the first code for this design is 5, you understand? The first code is 5. All right, so let's continue our design. We are going to bring in our social media icon, which is the Instagram, and then we are going to reduce it, also going to reduce it, and then we are going to put it down here. Yeah, we're also going to copy it. Let's copy it and put it here. Now let's reduce the size. All right, so let's see what we are doing. Okay, live Tuesday 10 p.m. set. All right, live analysis. All right, there's no problem. So now let's copy this and let's edit it to be live analysis. Live analysis. All right, so now I'm going to reduce this time is pure white now, right? Yeah, it's pure white, no shadow effect, nothing. Even this one itself does not have any inner shadow effect of it, you understand? So we just leave it that way, just leave it normal. This one too, leave it normal. All right, and the color is white, pure white. The color is pure white. So don't forget, like I said, like, subscribe, comment and share, you understand? So this is it, Africa live analysis, you understand? All right, so next you want to do is to bring in our PNG. Let's bring in our PNG. That is Africa, you understand? So I'm going to copy it so that you not stress us when we are moving them. We are moving it, and then I'm going to put it, reduce the size of the Africa. I'm going to put it here. So now this live analysis, now let's see how we can use 3D effects to make it look well. No, you need something like this. No, that means you just have to rotate it too. You just have to rotate it. I think it's more than just rotate. Let's try something. Okay, and then we'll come to this rotate, and then we rotate it up a little bit. You get, rotate it up a little bit. The same thing to this. Alright, so that is that for that. And also, yes, also we are going to bring in our we are going to do something now. We are not bringing anything here. We are going to do something now. You see, click on this place, select the text so that I can select shape. When you select shape, you are going to come to the color. No, just come to gradient straight. You understand? See the gradient here. Click on gradient, click on add, right? So now this one's already as black. Leave it as black. In fact, don't make it more dark as if you understand. Then you see this one that is normal white now. Click on it, take it to transparent, bring it to this end. It is transparent now. Everything, just fool this one, and then this one should be transparent. You understand? So you have something like this. So you select it, you can see it. You can decide to bring it down like this, so you can see it. Alright, so now we are going to use it. We're going to increase it. You're going to increase it, and you're going to put it down here. Alright, so now we are going to take it to the back. I'm going to take it to the back. I'm going to take it to the back of this. Fine, this is perfect. Alright, so now make sure this text is at the middle. Yeah, so it's already at the middle, but let's shift it. Alright, so now these icons, we are going to move them to this side, and then we are going to reduce the size of this one. Alright, this one too, we are going to reduce the size. Let's leave it that way first. Then let's put our Tuesday 10 p.m. first. Tuesday 10 p.m. first. Right, I think the enhance is capital letter. Sorry, Tuesday 10 p.m. first. So now this Tuesday, so we are going to change the font to Nexa Heavy. If you don't have it, you go to that font to get it. I'll try and see if I can send it, you understand? But if I can't send it, you just do that yourself, you understand? So this color now, I'm going to change the color. I'm going to bring it. You see what I did? I select color, then this one here, I'm going to bring it like this to the one I want to change, which is this from 10 p.m. first. Then I'm going to change the color to blue. So yeah, this blue is okay, but not too. I need something that is light. You understand? I need something that is light. You get? Let us just suck the color. Let's just suck the color, right? So this is it. Yeah, this is it. So I'm going to suck it, and this is it. Perfect. So now we're going to reduce the size. You're going to reduce the size, and then you're going to put it at the middle. Alright, so this is it. So the second code is 2. Alright, the second code is 2. Okay, so please do well to write the code down. Do well to watch the video fully and write the codes down. Thank you very much. So the second code is 2. Alright, so now this one I'm going to reduce the size. And then I'm going to position it here. Bring it down. Alright, so this one too, I'm going to position it this way. Then I'm also going to reduce the size. I'm also going to position it well. Alright, so that is that for that. Now I'm going to bring in my shape, just normal shape. That is this normal shape, you understand? I'm going to reduce it. That is the shape that I want to write my life, you get? So I'm going to change the color to red. Or Instagram color. Let's just pick it. Let's pick the color to this Instagram color. You understand? So that is that. Then let's position it. Let's bring it down here, and then let's increase it, and then let's reduce it like this. You understand? So you see, one thing about graphic design is you just have to stay consistent in doing it. You understand? You have to stay consistent in doing it. So if you're a designer out there and you are thinking of giving up, do not give up. do not give up. All right, do not give up. Keep designing. Whether your designs are good or bad, keep on designing. Understand? Keep on designing. So do not criticize yourself. Don't let people, say, you are a guy, good for design. Just come out design. It is your passion. You understand? So in graphic design, just have to, not even only graphic design, just have to know your passion and your drive. These two things. When you can identify these two things, trust me, you are unstoppable. You understand? You are unstoppable if you can identify these two things. All right. So now this is it. This is it. All right. The TBX Africa and TBX. TBX Africa, then live analytics. Are we missing anything? Let's bring it to the front. One thing I'm good at, replicating designs. So honestly, I'm good at replicating designs. All right, so that's it. Because as I started my graphic design, let's increase this. I used to copy people's work. No, should we put it? Let's make it now. Theirs is just halfway, but let's bring it this way. All right. So I started my graphic designs. I used to copy people's work and then I'll just remove their name and put my own, but it's not right. It's not right. You understand? So the third code is 1. All right. So now I'm going to type in my text live. You understand? So as I was saying, I used to copy people's design, which is very bad. But then I used to do it. That was when I was just beginning. I was like, how did this guy design it? I don't want to go through the stress of designing it because I don't know how to design it. So instead, let me just remove his name and put my own name. You understand? So, but then I reasoned it as a car. It's not right. It's not a good thing. If someone can do this, I think I too can do this. You understand? So that was when I actually went ahead to pay for a course. You get? So let's use this font. So now I paid for a course and then honestly it helped me. The course helped me, I won't lie. The course helped me. So but then I didn't just limit myself to just the course alone. I also practiced. But initially I was not consistent. Honestly, trust me, as I bought the course, I was not consistent because the course was just on drive. It's not something that the person that actually have the course, which is the coach of a team, you will just be teaching, the course are already available in the drive. So if you want to access it, you access it. If you don't want to access it, your own. So it's not something that's one-on-one teaching or they are teaching in a group. No, it's nothing like that. You understand? So now the fourth code is 0. Fourth code is 0. So now I'm going to save this. All right. I'm going to save this. My work is done here. I'm going to save this. So this is how we actually arrive at this. You understand? So the fifth color is 1. So do well to get all the codes. So do well to get all the codes and then reach out to me on my DM, drop the code and you get the resources. And don't forget to follow on my social media handle. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you very much and do have a wonderful day. And also when you are designing, don't forget to make sure it is centralized by doing this. You see? Make sure it's centralized by doing this. You get? By doing this. So do not overlook any small thing. Be very mindful of the details. You understand? Be very mindful of the details. So thank you very much. Okay, we still have something to do here. I think here I'm going to bring it to the front. Right? So yeah, this is it. Perfect. Just perfect. Alright, so thank you very much. Thank you many times. You have a wonderful day.